Hello everyone, on this session I'm going to show you how to use the round, trunk and mod function. Before starting, please be sure that you have subscribed to our channel to get updated with all our new tutorial videos. So let's get started and type this command. Select, go for the next line and type round, and we are going to round this number 45.923, -2, and I will demonstrate the meaning of this later. Round 45.923, -0, close the brackets, and round 45.923, -2 from Dewel. And Dewel here is a dummy table which is provided by Oracle and can be used for testing some scenarios. Let's add one more round here by typing round, the same number, and we can add here the number 1. Let's run this command and see the output. So the first one we have rounded this to only, instead of 3 decimals, we have only 2 decimals, which should be rounded to the closest number. Here is number 3, which means it will remain the same, 92. Let's try to change this number. Instead of 3, let's say this one is 6. If we run this command, these 2 will be rounded to the closest one, which is 3. Let's try now. Run. Here we go, 45.93. The next line here, we have rounded this to only 1 digit, which means it will be 45.9. 45.9. This one saying that only 1 digit will be remaining. If we put the number 0, we are telling the code to just remove all the decimals and set this number to the closest one. 45.9, it should be 46. Here it is. And if we add this -2, we are saying that just remove all the decimals and round this one from the left to right to be -2, which is 0. Clear? Let's move now for the next function, which is trunk. Open new SQL worksheet and type this command. Select, go for the next line. Instead of round, we are saying now trunk. We are going to use the same numbers, 45.923, and here too, comma, go for the next line, trunk, and type 45.923. I will let it at the same, no parameters, comma, trunk 45.923, let's say -2, close the brackets from Dewel. If we run this command, let's see here what happened. The first one is telling the SQL code to set these decimals to only 2 numbers. So instead of 923, it will be 92. But the difference between this one and the round, there is no rounding for the numbers, which means this one will be only 92, even if this is 7. Let's try this. Still the same. Remember the first example when we use the round and set this one, it has been rounded to 93. On this trunk, it is just remove 1 digit from our code. The next example here, we are removing all the decimals by not setting any parameter for this, just setting this number as it is. See, here is the 45. And the next one, just remove all the decimals and set this from left to right to be -2, which means it is truncated to be 0. Let's now move for the next function, which is mod. Select, go for the next line, mod 5-2, close the brackets, go for the next line, mod 1600, and the next number will be 300. From the wall, run the command, and here is the results. From where this result is coming, this result is the remaining amount of the division 5/2, which means this 5 is containing this number 2 times, and the remaining amount which can be divided is 1. The same here, this 1600 includes this 300 5 times, and the remaining amount which can be divided is 100. Let's try this on a calculator here. Open this calculator, and we can say this 5 is 2 times number 2. Say this 5 minus 2, this is the first one, minus 2, this is the second one, this is the remaining number which can be divided. Another example, or the next example, 1600, this number containing 300 5 times. Let's count it. Minus 300, the second minus 300, minus 300, this is 3 times, minus 300, this is 4 times, and minus 300. So we get this number, the remaining amount which can be divided. Here it is, 100. Now let's go to show another example. Select last name, salary, and mod, open brackets, and salary dash 5000, close the brackets. From employees, where in the job ID equal SA underscore rep. Let's try this example and run the query, and here we go. This employee has a salary of 10,000. If we divided this by over 5,000, it will be 2 times, which means the remaining of this division will be 0. The second one, this 9,500 includes the 5,000 1 time, and the remaining amount is 4,500, and so on. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.